turn it to the next setting, and it could possibly solve your problem. Hey, that's nice and warm. Hurrah! Hello there, this is Rich from HouseBarons.com. My brother Dave and I renovate houses along with Dave's son Caleb, and today we're going to show you a super easy fix if you are not getting hot water in your shower. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing because we want to show you how to do a job yourself so you can save a ton of money. Okay, so it's winter now and there's nothing worse than taking a shower that isn't hot or at least warm. So we noticed that we put this shower on and it wasn't very warm at all. And so the first thing you can check has nothing to do with the faucet or even the valve. It is actually a setting on your water heater. All right, so we're down here in the systems room of this house, and we just wanted to show you, did you know on your water heater that you actually have adjustments that you can make there? Because not everybody knows it. But anyway, this is a relatively new water heater. You can see that there are several adjustments. Way back up in here, it says low. Over here is very hot. So all you have to do is turn this dial and it's going to adjust the temperature of the water that's coming out of your water heater. Let's say it was here on hot. We would suggest that maybe you just turn it just to the next setting and then try that and see how that works. And if it still isn't warm enough, maybe the next day you put it a little bit hotter, but use caution when you get over here to putting it on very hot, because that water can come out, to be scalding. So just turn it to the next setting and that could possibly solve your problem. There's a lot that can go wrong with the plumbing system. So hopefully that little easy tip will fix your hot water problem in your shower. If not, we made another video where we show you how you can adjust the valve here. We have another video that shows you how you can replace the cartridge that's in the valve. And then if none of that works, you may have to replace the valve itself. And we also have a video for that. We hope this solves your hot water problem in your shower. If it didn't solve the problem, check out one of our other videos, because there's only so many things that can be wrong and you can probably fix your plumbing problem yourself. So anyway, if you got anything out of the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that helps out our channel. We appreciate it. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do, because we have a ton of home improvement videos on the way. Thanks very much for viewing, and we'll see you in this next video. Hey, that's nice and warm. Hurrah!